Today I thought I'd experiment with pearl pour. I haven't tried many pearl pours and thought I'd give this a go. I tested a couple of colors with my white mix and it seems that there are some good reactions here. The two colors I'm using are Lumiere's Pearlescent Turquoise and Lumiere's Pearlescent Blue. They're both metallic colors and I have them fairly thin compared to my cloud pours, in which my paints are very thick. So these are very soupy. And this is a white I'm using. I cut it open to scoop it out. It's FolkArt Pure Artist Pigment Titanium White, and it's very thick compared to the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. So I made up a couple batches here. I used two of these along with some other ingredients, and I'll put the recipe in the description box below. What I thought I'd do is lay a base of white down, and then I'm not sure if I want to just put puddles of my colors or pour them into a cup and then do a straight pour or ring pour in the middle. I might do that, just alternate the colors. And then I'll tilt quickly corner to corner and see if the pearls from the base pop up, the white pearls. So because of this reaction here, I'm hoping for pearls. So we'll see what happens. it's only been a couple of minutes, but you can see that the pearls are developing. It's like a snowstorm, snow flurries. But I really like what happened here with these ghostly effects. It was at the last second that I decided to do a flip cup rather than a straight pour, and I think that the paints rubbing against each other and that splat in the center probably created this effect. So I was trying to get this back to the center, but I didn't want to distort what was already happening along these edges. These are nice fluffy snowflakes. So I'll give it some time to develop, see how much develops over the next hour or so. They're really so all the sides are covered with the snowflakes. But the center part is interesting, off-center now, with these ghostly looking clouds. So this will be a good one to add to my atmospheres collection. So I'll give it some more time. Well, it's been about an hour and a half now, or maybe 2 hours, since I poured this. I think maybe it has finished developing, but you never know. There may be other cells popping up. But a little, actually big, puffy snowflakes. Fluffy flurries. And the ghostly effects are still there. So there's some nice turquoise colors there. And then over here, you can see it. You can see hints of it behind the blue. This is interesting here along this one side. It reminds me of the picket fence. With a straight line all along the edge here. So for my first real pearl pour, I don't think I did too badly. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Well, that's it for today. Enjoy the day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.